Hello traders, welcome back to the Apex Robot Trading channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade using a powerful buy and sell arrow indicator that can help you identify potential trading opportunities with ease. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this indicator can help simplify your trading by providing clear buy and sell signals directly on your chart. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also show you how to access the indicator, how to trade with the indicator, and how to avoid bad signals and improve your win rate. Let's get started. The first step is to install the indicator on your chart. When you download indicator from the link I will provide, just open the file here, then open data folder from here, then press MQL4 and open indicators folder, then paste it here. When you do everything correct, I showed you, then you should see the indicator from here. Then you just have to drag it on your preferred chat. Then you'll begin to see arrows appearing above and below the candles. A buy arrow appears below the candle, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. And when a sell arrow appears above the candle, it suggests a potential selling opportunity. Traders, for best results, I recommend using this indicator on the 15-minute, 30-minute, or 1-hour time frame. Now let's look at how the signals work. The indicator is very simple. When a buy arrow appears, it suggests that buyers may be taking control of the market. When a sell arrow appears, it suggests that sellers may be taking control. However, one important thing to remember is that no indicator is 100% accurate. That's why we don't blindly take every signal. Instead, we use a few simple rules to increase our chances of success. So here is how we trade with this indicator. Let's start with buy trades. Rule number 1, wait for a buy arrow to appear. Rule number 2, make sure the market is generally moving upward. Rule number 3, enter the trade after the candle with the buy arrow closes. Place your stop loss below the most recent swing low. Set your take profit at least 2 times your stop loss distance. For example, if your stop loss is 20 pips, aim for at least 40 pips profit. This helps maintain a positive risk to reward ratio. Now for selling opportunity is the exact opposite as buy setups. Rule number 1, wait for a sell arrow to appear. Rule number 2, make sure the overall market direction is bearish. Rule number 3, enter after the candle with the sell arrow closes. Place your stop loss above the recent swing high. Set your take profit at least 2 times your stop loss distance. Following these simple rules can help you avoid many poor quality setups. Add a sell example. Now listen traders, risk management is extremely important. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Many professional traders risk only 1% to 2% of their account per trade. Avoid increasing your lot size after a loss. Stay disciplined and follow your trading plan. Remember, trading is about consistency, not getting rich overnight. And that's how you can use this buy and sell arrow indicator to find trading opportunities in the market. If you'd like to try this indicator yourself, check the description or pinned comment to access it for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future trading content where I will be sharing more free premium indicators. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.